Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to edit an online order in your Wix Studio website. So editing orders is very useful if you have a customer that made a mistake in their purchase and they want to request an edit to their order. For example, they want to add a new product in their order, or they want to increase the number of quantity that they want to buy. So here I am in my Wix dashboard. So we will go to sales and then click on orders, and then from here you will see the different orders that you have placed right here. But since I don't have any orders yet, we will create a new one. So just click on add new order, and then we will just need to add an item. For example, I want to add a product and I want to have this one, and then I will add this to my order. And then if you have an existing customer, you can add them right here. For example, I'll just add this sample right here, and then I will create order. Just click on it and then go back to our orders page. Then from here you have the order right here on your list. So if you want to edit this order, just click on it, click on more actions, and then click on edit order. And then from here you have different options. You can add a new item again. For example, I want to add this one. And then, for example, I want to increase the quantity that I want to have, like that. And then, for example, I want to delete an order that was a mistake. So, for example, right here, I want to remove this. So, just click on the three dots and click on remove. And then, it automatically removed it from the order. If you want to add some other things, like, for example, the reason for editing, for example, customer. So you can do this as well, so that you and the other staff members will see why the customer requested for an edit in their order. And then from here, you can add a delivery method if you want. You can add a fee. For example, you want to have a shipping fee for like 20, and you can add it as well. If you want to add a discount, you can do this. You can have this one, and then for example you want to have like 50, and then take in mind that this discount will reflect into your overall total of the price in your order. And then, for example, right here you have 105 pesos. The shipping fee of 20 pesos minus 50 pesos. So the updated total will be 75 pesos. And then once you're done editing your order, you can just click on update order. And then you can email the customer about changes made to this order and just click on update order. And once you're done, you have already completed the how to edit the order of a customer in your Wix Studio website. And that's it for this video, and I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.